Compeat is a leader in online registration and member management. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate Membership Manager, a simple online solution for clubs, nonprofits, and associations. Membership Manager enables you to accept and review new member applications and member renewals online, enable online payment of member dues, create a simple website, send email communications to members, conduct online member surveys and elections, create events using the Event Manager module, and even order printed membership cards. Let me walk you through some key components of the system. The home page, seen here, serves as your dashboard or control panel. With a quick glance, you can see the status of your overall membership and easily identify which members need attention. Here, you see all the different membership levels you have set up, as well as the number of members in each level. Clicking on the link will perform a quick search and display the related members. Next, you see the cancellation table that displays any members that have requested to cancel their membership. And finally, at the bottom, your live surveys and elections are listed with a link to the responses. Let's take a look at your member database in more detail. From the member page, you have a quick view into some key aspects of your database. You can search by name, email, level, or any custom attribute that you set up. To view a member's profile, you simply click on their name. Here you can view their details and any custom questions they have answered. Because Event Manager and Membership Manager are integrated, each time one of your members signs up for any event on our network, their profile is updated in Membership Manager as well. So, if Elizabeth here changes her mailing address and updates this when she registers for an event, her new address is reflected in your member profile instantly. From each member's profile, you can also view his or her payment history. We see here that Elizabeth paid by check on this date. Every payment is recorded with a date and timestamp. Now, let's take a look at a few of the global settings for Membership Manager. When you create your account, you'll want to configure these settings first before you import or add any members. Here, you can identify which time zone you are in, an email address where system notifications are sent from, etc. Additionally, at the bottom, you can paste in your organization's membership agreement and choose when to display it, to new members during sign-up, at the time of renewal, or both. Next, let's take a look at membership levels. These levels define how your member organization is grouped. You can create as many levels as you like. Typical member levels include things like individual membership, family membership, lifetime membership, etc. It's completely up to you and is flexible enough to meet the needs of your organization. Let's take a look at a membership level I've created. Here, you see the name and description, as well as the membership fees for this level. You have the option to set a reduced rate for renewals if you like, here. For each level, you can set the length of the term and enter the details for how members can renew. But keep in mind that you can set up as many levels as you like, and all levels should be set up prior to importing any existing data. Now, let me show you how to add some custom fields or questions to your database. Custom attributes are essentially your own defined fields in your member database. Think of these as questions presented to your members to complete their member profile. All the basics such as name, address, phone number, etc. are included by default. Custom attributes are used primarily for creating questions that are unique to your organization. They are super easy to set up and give you ultimate flexibility to manage your members effectively. You see here, I have a few custom attributes created already. You can create as many as you like. Let's take a look at my region attribute. With each attribute, you define if you want to search by the attribute, send notices based on this attribute, etc. For instance, by selecting Send Notifications, I will be able to send a message to only the members in the database that are in a particular region. You have the flexibility to format the question in multiple ways: yes, no, multiple choice, free-form text, etc. Through our printing and fulfillment partner, you can order high-quality customized membership cards for your organization and have them printed and drop-shipped directly to members. Once your card is designed, printing and mailing membership cards is a completely automated process. Members can even order reprints directly if you choose. All orders that have been sent for printing can be found in the report section. The cost of printing cards for your organization depends on a variety of factors. and using this integrated printing and fulfillment feature is completely optional. Now, let's take a quick look at the online survey tool. Here, we see a current survey I created. Clicking on the link will pull up the responses. One of the nice things about surveys is you can trigger them based on a member's action. For instance, maybe you have a cancellation survey that is sent to members when they cancel. As you can see, all survey responses can be exported. Additionally, you can choose to keep them anonymous or track them back to a member. Creating questions for surveys is super easy. You simply choose the question format and input possible answers. Next, let's take a quick look at how you communicate to your members. For any organization, communication is key to keeping your members involved. The notification engine is pretty powerful and really easy to use. First, we see the default system emails, which you can modify, but you can also create custom emails. Enter the basics of the email, when it should be sent, and choose the recipients. Finally, just type in your message. It's that easy. Next, let me touch on the member website briefly. With your account, you also receive a website. All hosting is included with your account. Your organization website is integrated with both Event Manager and Membership Manager. Some organizations choose to use this as their primary website, whereas other organizations simply link to events or the member login page from their existing website. The nice thing is that your website can be branded to match your organization. So on this page, you see I can add some content about the benefits of membership to encourage new members. You can select whether or not to display the sign-up form or a login form on your website. Additionally, there are some private pages that you can control, such as letting members view survey and election results. Of course, you can also display a member directory, both a private one and a public one, in which you can control which fields are displayed to users. Every member has the option in their profile to opt out of being included in the directory if they choose. Finally, let's take a look at what a member sees. First, each member receives his or her own account, which we call a passport account. Here, we see that I'm logged in as a member. It shows your branded web banner at the top and just a few key links to view my payment history, the private membership directory, as well as any surveys I've completed. As you can see, Membership Manager is a simple-to-use, yet very robust tool for any club, association, or nonprofit. If you have your current members in an existing spreadsheet or database, Compete@ can help you migrate and import this data at no cost. Pricing can be found on our website, as well as quick start guides to help you get started. If you would like to learn more or sign up for free, visit www.competeat.com.